Bajaj Finance wants to be a dominant financial services and payments organization. The organization needs for us to have and upskill people on new skill sets, which potentially were not a part of the organization earlier. There are significant skills on the business front, technology front, data science front that we are skilling people on. Coursera has fundamentally helped us to give us a strong skill repository, which we've been able to create microsites of skill sets at a business level, sub-business level, and a sub-business level. It gives us the ability to create microsites on the platform. These microsites can be made specific to the roles that we have within the organization. Now, by making role-specific skill sets, we are able to go ahead and curate the right kind of content so that the right kind of recommendations can happen. The way that this has helped us is, at my level, I am able to understand and look at the skills inventory that I have across the employees of the organization. I'm very glad to share that at this point in time, on our business skills, we've seen an upward movement of about 34%. On our technology skills, we've seen an upward movement of about 35%. On our data science skills, we've seen an upward movement of about 35%. This helps us to, when the time comes, to help us place the right people with the right skill set in the right roles. The proof of the pudding lies in real testimonials from employees on the ground. In the recent past, we've had an employee who joined us as a sales manager in one of our branches, who took up skills through Coursera, who learned himself, and now has taken an internal job posting with our data science unit. Now, what can be more strong as a testimonial to the way that Coursera is helping our employees?